Okay. So let's start our class. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا ربي زدني علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Okay, so yesterday we did pronouns, right? And we did the table. We did possessive pronouns. What does possessive pronoun mean? When those pronouns are attached to a noun, they become possessive pronoun, right? But when they are attached to a verb, then that shows that that pronoun becomes object, right? So that is clear with everyone?
Yes.
This did we do yesterday, demonstrative pronouns? Rahila, do you remember? We did or not?
Yeah, we just went through it in the
Okay,
final.
okay.
Yeah.
Let's revise
So,
from here. Yeah.
hmm.
So we have for male and for female different, plus for near and far. Near and far definitely is different in English also, this and that, right?
Yeah.
For near it is this, and for far it is that. But we don't differentiate between masculine and feminine in English, right? But here we do that. For masculine it is hada. Okay, for example, hada kitabun. This is a book, and kitab is a masculine, so I will use hada. And if it is a watch, sa'atun, right? Sa'atun, then I will use hadhihi. Hadhihi sa'atun. This is a watch, right? So
Yeah.
for dual, haza turn into hadani, and for a female, it is hatani. Okay, this ta is a female attribute, and tani will come. And for plural, it is same for male and female. These all haula, and you will find these words only many of the times. And haulai or ulaika. You might have read so many times in the Holy Quran, right?
Yes.
So this is for plural. Yes.
Miss, when we use like hadani, we will change the form of the noun as like if it's kitab,
Exactly. Then
kitabani.
kitabani. Exactly. Yes, very right.
Okay.
Hadani.
Hadani kitabani, we'll say like that.
Yes, these are two books. Yes, very true.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Till here only we discussed, right?
Yeah. And miss, with the alika is for the distant, and for those two, it's I did not get. It's zanika.
Yes, Dhanika.
Okay.
And I haven't seen this word in the Holy Quran. It's very rare.
Yeah, that's what.
Very rare. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
that's what.
Tanika also for the female, two female. Hai na? So because that's why they said that just focus on underlined. See these underlined ones because they are mostly used. So they said you don't focus on this, but as we are definitely getting knowledge, so we will come to know okay these are the words, right? But mostly these underlined words are used, singulars or plurals are used in the Quran most of the times, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's move next. This we didn't do yesterday, the relative nouns, pronouns. Hena? We didn't do it at all.
No, we just read it.
Okay. So this is very easy. This is very easy when we want to make relation between, connect two words, two nouns or two sentences. We use this, okay? So the relative pronouns, alladhi and alladhina, etc. are used as conjunctions, right? When we connect to, meaning that, which, who, whom. Okay. For example, the teacher who teaches us Arabic is very good, for example. So this who I used, na? Who. The teacher who teaches us Arabic. So this who is a relative pronoun. Okay. And in Arabic we say alladhi. Al-muallimu alladhi يعلم اللغة العربية. Okay, المعلم, the teacher, الذي who يعلم teaches us, right? يعلمنا, who teaches us Arabic. So you understand, Rahila? So,
yeah, I understood.
So for male it is الذي, and if it is for female it is التي. Okay, allati. Again, I told you, this ta mostly will come in female pronouns, right? So alladhi, allati for male, female. For dual, alladhi becomes alladhani, hai na? Qalamani, on the same pattern. And allati becomes allatani, right? and alladhi becomes alladhina, mu'minina, है ना, muslimina, on the same pattern, alladhina, okay, and allati becomes allati, and this also is, this is not underlined, right? See, this is not under, even
Yeah.
if it is in plural, but it is not underlined, because
Mm-hmm.
very rarely Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is only talking to the females in the Quran, है ना, plural females,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
because most of the rules of the Holy Quran, most of the commandments are for everyone, and when we talk about everyone, we always use male gender, just remember, है ना, we always use male gender. So when we say alladina, so male female everyone is included in that. And if we want to specially talk about male, then also alladina. If we want to talk about all male, female, all, then also alladina will be used, right? Because it includes everyone. But allati is only for female. So I don't think that it is being used in Quran or not, that only for female. But allati is used because we will see why it is used. Okay, so it is many of the times allati is also used, but we'll see why it is used so many times, okay, and not the plural. Okay, so is that clear? Alladhi, alladhina, singular and plural. Allati, allati, ya allai, both are correct. Okay, so these are the relative pronouns, yani used as conjunctions. Okay, let's go. Yeah, there are examples. Let's go through example also, hai na, so that we can understand more. Al-waladu. What does al-waladu means, Rahila?
Boy, the boy.
The boy. Alladhi, who,
Who?
kharaja. See, fa'ala, on the pattern of fa'ala, right? So it means this is a past tense.
Yeah.
Khurujun. Khuruj is the noun.
Exit,
Exit.
right?
Yes, exit. Okay. Went out, going out. Kharaja, went out, exited. Okay. So al-waladu, the boy. Alladhi, who, this we just studied. Hai na? Alladhi means who. Okay. Who, kharaja, it means past tense, who went out. Okay. Min means from. This is huruf jar, we will inshallah discuss. Min means from or of. Masjidi, masjid, from masjid, who went out of masjid. Yani now definitely we use. Talibun is a student. Okay. Talibun. It's a noun, hai na? With this tanween we can recognize that it's a noun. So, al-waladu alladhi kharaja min al-masjidi talibun. The boy who went out of the mosque is a student. Are we able to translate it now easily?
Yeah, better.
Better. Okay, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Okay, now see ar-rijalu. Ar-rijalu is men, hai na? The men. Because this is alif lam is added, alif lam. So this is the men. Now, if it is plural, I have to use plural conjunction, right? It will be alladhina, correct?
Yes.
The men, alladhina, who. Translation in English is who. Here also, hai na? Because they don't have different for singular and plural, but we have different in Arabic. So, alladhi and alladhina. If it is plural, rijal means men. Alladhina, who. Kharaju. Now, this is the example came for the verb also. Kharaja is a verb I told you. So, kharaju is the plural of this verb, right? We didn't discuss it, but yeah, okay, it came, so I'm just introducing it to you. That verb also has plural, right? So, kharaju is a plural. Minal maktabi, maktab means library or office. Maktabi mudarrisuna. So now the men who left the office, kharaju, who exited, who came out of the office. Maktab is office. Mudarrisuna, they are teachers. Mudarris means teacher, right? Mudarrisa or mudarris means teacher. So mudarrisuna, because we will make it also plural.
Plural.
Yeah. So men who came out of the office are teachers, right? Yeah. Now this is an example of female. Al-bint. Bint means the girl. Al-bint, right? The girl. And with this alif lam, it is the. Hai na? Do you remember this? So alif lam means the. Al-bintu, the girl. allati, right? Now this is the female, allati, allati, okay, for female, singular female. Allati, who kharajat. Now again, this is not, these are coming now, the different forms of verb, right? For male it was kharaja, for the female it is kharajat. When we'll do the verbs in detail, inshallah we will understand them. This is for female, okay? Kharajat is for female. Al bintu allati kharajat, the girl who came out. Min al bayti, from home, who came out of home. Bayt, है ना? Bayt, we know it means home. Min al bayti, from home. Talibatun is a student. Okay.
Okay.
So these were some examples of these conjunctions used in sentences according to their nouns for which they are being used. If it is a female, then it is allati. If it is a male and plural, it is alladina. If it is singular, it is alladhi. I think enough, right? And as I told you, I don't, when I was doing, I've told you that I don't think this is used in Quran, plural one. Na? So they didn't give any example here also. Okay. Shall we move next?
Yes.
Okay. The next are interrogative pronouns, asma'ul istifham. Yani there are some, you can say words, or they have used it as pronouns, yes, which we use to ask question, right? Who, what, where, when, how, hai na, all these, the question words, right? So, just these will help you increase your vocabulary. Man means who, okay? For example, I say, Rahila, I say, man anti. What does it mean?
Who are you?
Who are you? Because anti, we discussed it already, hai na? Anti, when we were doing
Yes.
this. So anti is a female, right? So man anti, who are you? So you will say ana Rahila, okay? Because
Yes.
ana means I. Okay, then ma hada. If there is a male thing, for example, hai na? So I will ask ma hada, what is this? Okay, so ma is used in that, what? Okay. Aina. Aina means where. Aina anti Rahila. Rahila, where are you? Okay. Aina.
Yeah.
Aina means where. Okay. Kaifa tukallimu. How do you talk? Or how? Kaifa, how. Kaifa, how. So these are just vocabulary words. Definitely they will be used in Quran, hai na? So you just keep them in mind. Mata means when. Mata, when. Come, how many or how much. Both. Come. Come riyalan indiki ya Rahila. Rahila, how many, yeah, hai na? How
Real.
many real do you have? Okay. How many or how much? For both it is come. Okay. Kam kutubun indik. Kam kitaban. How many books do you have? Right? So it is like that. How many or how much? Anna. Which from? Where from? From where? Okay. Anna means from where? Lima. Lima. Why?
Why?
Limada. For what? Why? Again, it is also why. Limaza. Limaza, yani, why did you do this? So that also we use limaza. For what? Okay. For what you have done this. And maza, li is for. Only maza means what? And limada is for what? So li means for, you can understand, okay? So inshallah, no need to burdenize yourself, inshallah, when we'll start translation. So when these will come, slowly, whatever will come, you will learn the meaning, है ना? No need to learn all together, है ना? But just, we just had an introduction that these are the interrogative pronouns. Any question till now, my dear? Should we move next, or should we have some practice? Whatever we studied till now.
I have a question, sister.
Yes.
When we did our third example, the girl who left the house is a
Here?
student.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wanted to know, why is it baiti and not bait?
I will tell you later.
Okay.
Okay, let me see if this is due to min.
Okay.
Min is a harf jar.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Min is a harfe jar. Matlab, there are few. Okay, let me introduce this. है ना? You have done this
Okay,
with
so
me, Vinita. Yeah.
okay, so that's why kasra is coming, because harfe jar is represented by kasra.
Exactly. See,
Okay,
it's
fine.
here also min. So it is maktabi. Here also the kasra is not visible, but it is also maktabi. Minal masjidi. This, है ना? This kasra is here also because everything is followed by min. So min
Yes,
is a
got it.
letter. Yeah. Min is a harf jar. So whenever min comes, after that, whatever noun will be there, it will carry kasra in the end. Okay.
So is it only min
No, there are
or
few more. There are few more.
okay.
I don't know where are they, but they're very important. If we can just let me see. They started with murakkabat now. Oh, murakkabe jari. Yeah, these. Okay, let's do this. Okay. The genitive phrase they have given, because the list would be there. Rahila, these are the letters. Let's do them. Those who will bring kasra to a noun. Okay, these are the list. This is the list. First is B. If you want, you can note down with yourself only the letters. Okay, there are few letters. Yeah, number 1 is B, like following with kasra. For example, this is al-kalamu, but if you put B with it, it becomes bil qalami. See, instead of mu now, it becomes e, me. This is due to this ba, because we added ba here. Okay, and these are few letters we will discuss. Okay, let's discuss these now. They have their meaning also. They are kind of pronouns. Prepositions. I'm sorry. These are kind of prepositions. They have their meaning also. Plus, they will bring kasra to the nouns. So, B means with. Mostly it is with. Okay, B means with or by also, hai na, and in also. For example, we use it so many times. We say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, right? Bismi. So B ism, actually it was B ism, like B or al qalam, hai na? So bil qalami, same way we say B ismi, yani name. Ism means name, hai na? Ism means name. Do you know the translation of Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim? In the name of Allah. है ना? So there we use in the name of Allah. B means in, ism means name, and Allah in the name of Allah. Bismillahi in the name of Allah. So then we translate it like that, right? So B means in, B means with, B means by, okay, and this is the meaning, right? And more thing, that what is its action? It turns the movement into kasra. The last letter will have kasra under it if it is followed by B. Okay, bil qalamu, it can't be possible. Bil qalama, it can't be possible. Bil qalami, this is the correct. Okay.
Okay, so this is only for nouns.
Yeah, it comes with nouns. Yes, these letters come only with nouns,
okay.
not with verbs. Okay, just make it sure that this only come with nouns. See, the example is given. Bismillahi. Okay, with the name of Allah or in the name of Allah. And when we have to join it, like this was actually ism, so we don't pronounce alif, we say Bismillahi. Okay. The second in the list is ta. This letter ta. Okay. It means for oath only. Yani I swear by Allah. Okay. By Allah. It's for oath. Okay. So when we say tallahi, these all, the list we are going to discuss, these all bring kasra. And kasra, Arabic name for kasra is jar. Right? Grammatical name of kasra is jar. So we say these are huruf jar. These are huruf jar. Jar, this way. It is written this way. Jar, Jim and Ra, jar. These all are huruf jar. Okay. So all these, maybe 11 are there. Okay. So they will bring kasra. And they have their meaning also. Okay. So Allahu, normal it is Allahu, right? Normal by default. But when we put ta with it, before it ta, it becomes tallahi. Tallahu is wrong, tallaha is wrong, tallahi. And what does it mean? By Allah. Yani, I swear on Allah, right? I swear by Allah. Clear? Okay.
So the pronunciation is also changing the la. It's like we say Allahu normally. So this is like Tallahi. Is the pronunciation also changing?
No, because the pronunciation changes if it is kasra, then the lam is pronounced lighter. Allahu,
Okay.
Allahu. If there is something kasra before Allah, then it will be lighter. If it is fatha and dhamma, then it is heavy. Allah's lam.
Okay.
Tallahi. Maybe I pronounced wrongly.
No, I think like so you're telling that it is supposed to be pronounced Tallahi.
Tallahi. Lam
Tallahi
heavy.
itself. So if it's Allahu, normally also it's like that only, right?
Yeah, same. The pronunciation, as it is Allah, because that is also with alif, we pronounce with fatha, na? So ta is also carrying a fatha. So it won't be changed. Okay. Third is, number 3, wow. Number 3 is wow. Okay. The letter wow. This is also for oath. Same as ta. Ta and wow, both are used for oath. And was-samai. See, was-samai. Hamza is the last letter of the noun is carrying kasra due to this wow, right? Normally, it is as-sama'u. But when it is followed with wow kasmiya, then it becomes was-samai, by the heavens. Zatil buruj, full of stars. Wal asri. This ra, see, kasra, hai na? Wal asri, by the time. Asr means time. Wal asri, by the time. Washamsi, by the sun. And this is used many times in the last surahs, right? Wow, this wow.
Yes.
Acha. And wow means and also, Rahila. Wow, mostly used in and. And what will be the difference? If it is washamsu, Rahila, if it is washamsu, then it means and sun.
Okay.
If it is coming by default, shamsu, and then wow, washamsu, this is also correct. But then it will mean and the sun. And if it is washamsi, for sure it is by the sun. This, because whenever it will follow with this kasra, then it means it is for oath only. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Vinita, you want to say something?
No, that was my question only, that wow also means and, so how will we distinguish?
So it's cleared up,
huh? Yeah. Okay. You remember I had asked you the same question from Surah Saba when it came by Rabbi, and I was confused, why is it not? And then you had told me that kasra. That time I just mugged up, like, thinking that, okay, but now I understand what is the
Yeah. Definitely, when there are so many new things, so half you will understand here and half you will understand in some next point. At some next point, inshallah. Okay.
Alhamdulillah. Now it's clear that if we have dhamma in the end, then wow will give the meaning of and if it is ending, the word is ending by kasra, then it's definitely by oath. Like,
because wow is, if wow is a huruf jar, it will bring kasra, and then only it will use yani it will be meaning as by. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Because they have their meaning also. I told you, they have their meanings also, right?
True.
Okay. Li, the fourth letter is li, lam, and then followed with the kasra. Okay, lam. No, it can be la also, li also. Okay. And it means for, or to, or belongs to. As I told you, these are prepositions. है ना? So we know that prepositions have different meanings in different contexts, and the like the with the change of preposition, the meaning changes, है ना? So we will use it like that. Inshallah, when it come, we will get practice. Don't worry, okay? But just I'm familiarizing you with these terms, okay? Okay. So li means lam means for or to or belongs to or because of something, okay? For example, the example is al-qalamu li. Acha, this lam is only there with kasra, but this ya, do you remember what was ya means? What was the meaning of ya as a pronoun? Huh?
It was like if we say qalami, that one.
Yes.
My pen.
My pen, okay? So this I'm saying li means for, right? And I'm putting this ya with it. So what for me, है ना? What does it mean? For me. La means for and ya means mine or me, है ना? So li means for me. Al-qalamu li. This pen is for me. This is mine. Understand? Okay? Or this is lillahi, for Allah. Yani we say lillahi, for Allah's sake, help me. Lillahi, for Allah, means for Allah's sake. Okay? Lil muslimina, for Muslims, right? So li means for. Mostly it is used in this meaning. Li means for. Okay? Lil muslimina, lil for Muslims. Lil. Acha. We didn't do the different status of ism right now, है ना? That's why. Okay, we can do it later. Vanita, for you I can tell, but for others won't be able to understand because Vanita is taking Urdu class also with me. So Vanita, yesterday we were studying है ना al-kadhibuna. This is halat rafa. Wow, noon, है ना? By default halat. But as li is a harf jar, so it makes it into halat jar. Lil kadhibuna is wrong now. Lil kadhibina, because bina is a harf halat jar, right? So it will become lil kadhibina. It can't be lil kadhibuna. You understood?
Correct. Yeah. It has to align with the
this
harfa in the beginning.
lil kadhibina. Acha. So this lam, when it is coming with normal nouns, it is always li. But when it comes with these pronouns, है ना? Kum, hu, ha, huma, na, है ना? We have done this now. Pronouns, the table, all 14 pronouns we had done, right? So when it is followed with by pronoun, it is la. It becomes la. For example, laha. What was the meaning of ha? Do you remember, Rahila? What was the meaning of ha? Pronoun ha. You people have done it yesterday, na? Rahimaha.
Yeah, like for two.
No.
No. For female.
For female, singular female.
Yeah, singular female.
Yeah. So it is a pronoun. So if I want to use that, this is for her. For means la. Okay, so laha, for her. And then I can't say liha. है ना? It's not giving sense. So when this lam is used, है ना? This lam, harf jar, okay? When it is used with normal nouns, then it is in the form of li. But when it is used with the pronouns, it becomes la. Lakum.
Okay.
है ना? Lakum. What was kum means?
Kum for you all.
You all, men, है ना? Male. You
Yes,
all.
male.
So, lakum, for you all. For all of you. Lakum. Because la means for. And kum means you all. Clear?
Yes.
Lana. What does lana means? Na, we have done it as rahimana.
Us.
Us. So lana, for us. Clear?
Yes.
Now you are connecting now. So Alhamdulillah, whatever we are studying, it's very important because it will help us to. So the pronouns yesterday we discussed, that was extremely important lesson because so many. You open a page of the Holy Quran, you might find 10, 20 pronouns in that page. Okay,
yes.
So you need it a lot. The pronouns understanding is very important. Vinita, you want to ask something?
No. Alhamdulillah.
Okay. So the next letter is K. Okay, K. Fifth letter is K. It means like, or as. Okay, these are the meaning. And same, the function is same. Al-qamaru is normal. It means moon. But when we say kal qamari, it becomes like the moon, as the moon. Okay. And we say that it is as bright as the moon. It is as lightning as the moon. So as, kal qamari, as. Okay. Al-jannatu, garden. But when we say kal jannati, it can't be kal jannatu. Make it sure, okay? Kal jannati, like the garden. It is like the garden, okay? Like. Ka means like.
Okay.
And sister, ka is also second person, right?
But that will be in the end.
In the end. If it comes in the end, then it will be you. And if it comes in the beginning, it's...
Exactly. Okay, exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
These all are added in the beginning. Okay, these huruf jar are being added in the beginning. But that pronoun is the ka, when it is as a pronoun, it will be used in the end. Okay.
It will be attached pronoun, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we will attach it in the end. Rahila, did you understand what Vinita is asking?
Yes, I understood.
Because we studied ka as a pronoun also, hai na? Attached pronoun also. So she was asking what is the difference. So if it is attached,
one is in the end, and this one will be in the beginning of the word.
For example, jannatuki. Jannatu, this is na Jannah, al Jannatu, right? Al Jannatu, right? So if I add in the end ka, al Jannatu ka, it means your garden. Okay? Al Jannatuka, your. It is Jannatuka. It can't be Al Jannatuka. I'll tell you why. But it is Jannatuka means your garden. Yeah. But if it is Kal Jannati, then it is like a garden.
Like a garden. Yes.
Not our garden. Yes.
One more thing, like for all these prepositions we discuss now, it should come with alif lam, right? It will not. Is it something like that? Because like sarabun is a word, and then kal sarab only. It cannot be like ka sarab, right? So alif lam also should be attached with it.
Yes, it becomes a proper noun. When we attach it, it becomes a proper noun.
Okay, for all the this letters, right? For all these prepositions.
No, it can come like li zaidin. See, acha, but zaid is already proper noun, hai na? Zaid is already proper noun. Yeah, as per now it is like that. Let's see if it some comes, then we'll discuss, right?
Okay, all right.
Sister, I think in Surah Baqarah where we say kamislihi.
Then there is also no.
But
it's not alif lam, hai na?
Yeah.
Because Vanita, when it is mislihi, it is already connected with he, hai na? Mislihi.
Okay.
So this is mudaf ilal marifa. Yani he is already a mudaf. So misl is already connected with it. So when we need to connect it with something,